Hi kids, welcome to Zoe and Friends. Today we're gonna learn about the park, the playground actually. My first word is at the playground, and in French, au parc. Now the first image is a seesaw. In French, une bascule. The next image is a slide. And in French, une glissade. The next image is a swing. And in French, une balançoire. The next image is a rainbow bar, une échelle arc-en-ciel. The next image is a merry-go-round. In French, un manège. The next image is a sandbox. In French, un bac à sable. The next image is a ball pit. In French, une piscine à balles. The next image is a tire dome. And in French, un dôme de pneus. The next image is a spring horse. And in French, a cheval à ressort. My last one is a dome climber. And in French, it's called un dôme d'escalade. I would like to thank you. I would like to say it in French also. Merci.